Having drop frames on your live stream? Or maybe the screen capture is not working? Hi there, I'm Cody, and today I'm gonna explain to you guys how to install properly your OBS and set it up for your live stream. Let's get it started. So first of all, guys, let's open a browser and type in for Google search, for example, for OBS project. And we're gonna open obsproject.com. Download to your operation system. I have Windows, so I'm gonna download the Windows version. Okay, when it's down, guys, install it and don't run the program, okay? Really important. Okay, so then afterwards, please run OBS Studio as an administrator. Really important. You can avoid a lot of problems if you're running as an administrator. OBS and Streamlabs OBS usually have a little sickness, like they not working properly if you don't run them as an administrator. They can use more memory, they can use more CPU, and you can even have a lot of resources problem with it. So, you have your scenes on the left side and sources on the right here in the bottom. The scenes you can use like your starting screen, just chatting, your gaming screen, and streaming, be right back, and you can switch between them with ease. The right side, there is the sources. Each of the scene gonna have sources, which gonna be the scene overlays, gonna have the every single little graphical or video elements, sound input, output, and so on. So let's do our first scene. We're gonna rename the default here for screen capture. Right click, rename, and screen capture. Here we go. So then we're gonna add the source as a display capture. Okay, just click the plus icon at the bottom and choose display capture. Okay, so you're not gonna have anything now yet. You can name whatever you want, and this is gonna be for one scene for capturing your screen. I'm gonna click OK. If you see screen in the screen, it means that it's already capturing the screen that you're looking for. You can choose also multiple monitors if you have more. There's gonna be the drop down menu here. If you have only one, that's gonna choose this one. Click on the OK. Which means it's already gonna capture the screen as soon as I'm pressing the start recording button. But let's set up a little bit OBS, okay? Click the start and settings, and I'm gonna explain to you the basic settings for this one, which is recommended from my side. In general, I'm not really touching anything normally. Then I'm going over to stream. In stream, you can choose the service and connect it with OBS wherever you stream. I'm using Twitch, but you guys can also use the one which you are using. I also recommend for you guys who want to multi-stream on multiple platforms, Restream.io, because this one is compatible with a lot of different platforms at the same time, and also you can connect your chat at the same time to the multiple platforms. When you chose it, just connect the connect account button here. It's gonna pop up with an authorization page where you can connect your streaming page services to OBS. Okay? When you did it, afterwards you can stream easily without any problem, and when you're pressing start streaming, OBS will work together with your streaming platform and you can go live. So the next point is output. Okay? In the first one, first the output mode have to be set to advanced. And the first step in streaming, there is an encoder. There is two different options now in OBS, the X264 and the NVIDIA NVENC. Normally I hardly suggest the X264 because the NVIDIA NVENC is not compatible with every video card, and it's working really well with the new RTX card, the 2080, the TIs, the 2070 Super, and so on. But with the older cards and also with the other cards, guys, it's not a good option and can cause a lot of trouble. Think about it like using video card for gaming, and the video card is used like in 90%, and you're gonna give an extra strength on that one, like you're gonna use also for rendering in OBS. So it can cause problems, it can be glitchy. But if you get a good video card, definitely recommend it. If you have not a new video card or an RTX card, I suggest X264, or even if you have like a stronger processor or not a strong video card, also X264. The rescale output I don't really touch. Rate control CBR, and the bitrate I suggest 6500 kbps if you want to stream and record in full HD at least. Okay, so this is a recommended bitrate for that. CPU usage preset very fast. Then we can go for the recording tab here. You can choose a recording path for one of the folder where you want to save your videos when you're recording them. And the recording format I normally suggest MP4. It works absolutely fine, but if you work with Mac, MOV is probably a better option for you. Because I'm on Windows, MP4 perfect for me. Okay, audio replay buffer I don't really touch now. We can go to video, okay, in the left tab. So the base canvas resolution is the canvas for this window here, where you're gonna put your elements for recording or streaming. And if you choose it for full HD, you can also set each of the elements for that resolution on the screen. Okay, so I choose that one for 1920 by 1080, and I also choose the output scale, which is gonna be streamed on the platform where you stream, as the same size as the base canvas, because then you're not gonna have any stretching or distortion on it, and it's working also perfectly fine then. Okay, downscaler filter bcubic, and the common FPS value I normally say 30. Don't go under 30. More than 30 is absolutely fine, but I find it unnecessary since 30 FPS is perfectly fine for streaming. Okay, hotkeys and events I'm not gonna really touch it. I'm just gonna click OK, and as soon as you press start streaming after when you connected your account or start recording, either you're gonna go live with these options and already with your screen, or you're gonna record your videos in full HD in the nice and acceptable quality. Alright guys, so this is the basic setup and the recommended options for OBS from me. If you guys want to talk to me live, I'm on Twitch Monday, Wednesday and Friday from 18:30 till late on Western European time. And if you like the video, please press the subscribe button. Till next time guys, see you, bye.